On this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram limit problem easily and fast. So first thing you want to do is open the settings on your phone and then open the apps manager like this. When you open the apps on this page, you will find every app that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is scroll until you find the Instagram app and click on it like this, and then click on this force stop option right here. Go to the notifications management, scroll down, make sure that all those options are enabled. Go back, click on the permissions and do the same thing. Everything here should be enabled. Go back and now click on the storage or the internal storage, click on clear data and click delete. This includes files, settings, accounts and databases. Just click delete and then go back and click on this open by default option. Click on open supported links on this app and make sure it's on always allow. And then you have to go back into the settings of your phone, click on wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it for 5 seconds exactly and then disable it back. And now you have to make sure that you have the latest version of Instagram. So if you don't have it, you must update it on the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. It's very easy to do it. Just search for Instagram and click on this update here. That's it. Now you have to turn off your phone and turn it on again. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much.